Success is not final. It is the courage to continue without losing sight of your goals that counts. This sentiment rings true for Nairai native who started her career in the late 1980s as a casual worker and is now successfully managing rooms at the Shangri-La Fijian resort in Singatoka. Alice Smith has since not looked back, grabbing any opportunity that came her way to reach new heights. Jasaina Nunga with Smith's success story.
So naturally, I did not choose to work in the tourism industry.
Alice Smith had never thought of pursuing a career in the hospitality sector.
After that, things didn't go too well during those years back then. Then I was approached to join the housekeeping team. I started off as a housekeeping coordinator. Then 5 years later, I became the service leader. And following that, assistant housekeeper before looking after the department as executive housekeeper.
Raised in a humble setting and having witnessed her parents' struggles, the 53-year-old says this motivated her to strive for excellence.
In 2010, I did a switch to front office, and in 2013, promoted to my current role as director of rooms. Was a very proud moment for me. A lot of sacrifice and hard work and, tears and joys has been my journey. But I can honestly say it's never been a dull moment.
The mother of two says one challenge she encounters daily is drawing the line with colleagues to boost service delivery at the resort.
The tourism industry, as in any other industry, we work with different personalities, we work with different people, and the challenge is to be able to bring these personalities together to deliver a promise that we ask our guests to come and enjoy at our resort, whether it be with our colleagues or with guests. There's always...
Smith has been instrumental in assisting the resort management team in drawing up new service procedures in the new normal.
So now we have our new processes that we have implemented, and I'm proud to say Shangri-La has been a leader in implementing these processes to ensure that our guests and our colleagues are safe.
Her only advice to her colleagues who have lost their jobs due to the pandemic is to never give up. She is also encouraging the fortunate ones to give a helping hand to those who are in need. Jasaina Nunga, FBC News.